There are more calls for JFF President Michael Ricketts to demit office as pressure mounts in the western end of the island. Now, some stakeholders are saying the time is now for the embattled president to walk away.
According to owner of Montego Bay United and former St. James FA and Western Confed President Orville Powell, Michael Ricketts should do the honourable thing and leave office. Powell says the same measures used to fire coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore should also be used for Ricketts given his incompetence as the JFF boss.
Tapper went the wrong time. He should have gone a long time ago. And that I hope now you take this opportunity to go now. Don't wait, because if you wait, the same thing going to apply again.
Powell says it's time for the board to put pressure on Ricketts.
If some pressure is not put on now for change, we will never get change.
First Vice President of the Hanover FA, Craig Holtz, is also calling for a change.
So we fail to qualify for World Cup. We're failing to attract sponsorship. We are failing to develop the group, the sport at the grassroots level. I mean, everything looks like almost a failure. Within him own self, he must understand, say, he must just make way for somebody else and not worry about the sport.
Who is the challenger? What are they offering? But right now where we are, it's work in progress. We have to just correct where we are. And we're not going to say that better is not out there, but where? In the football fraternity, or is it from someone from outside who want to come in? Or what are they bringing? What is it that they know about the sports and the running of football?
Powell believes that Ricketts' 2017 discriminatory outburst, which saw him being fined $9 million in court, makes matters worse.
The latest one that I am seeing that this president did, was an apology in the paper.
Oates is baffled by the silence of JFF board members.
The truth of the matter is, a lot of these persons who are supporting what is happening now, their program is messed up. And you have to call truth. Truth is truth. You cannot be blaming others. Nobody is sabotaging Mr. Ricketts from where I sit.
Westmoreland FA boss Everton Tomlinson doesn't support the call for Ricketts to be moved.
Mike Ricketts has one of the first parish presidents to become president of the federation. There are a number of things, a huge number of things that need to be changed. The public just don't understand half of it because the only thing the public see is they want result.
But Trelawney FA Vice President Dwight Jeremiah says he understands the call for Ricketts to go.
You can see where the detractors are coming from in terms of calling for his head. I guess they will and he will have counter arguments to it, but it certainly doesn't harbor well for the president.
The next JFF election is due in 2023. Keon Reina reporting for TVJ Sports.